Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Apple Watch SE. First, power on your watch by holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to begin the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. You will learn to navigate the watch face using the digital crown for scrolling and zooming, and the side button for the dock or Apple Pay. Basic gestures like tapping and swiping are also essential for interaction. Your Apple Watch SE offers many essential features. You can receive notifications from your iPhone, monitor your heart rate, and track your daily activity. Personalize your experience by customizing your watch face. Choose from hundreds of combinations of colors, styles, and complications to display information like weather or calendar events. You can also rearrange your app layout and adjust settings directly on your watch, making it truly yours. The Apple Watch SE is an excellent health and fitness companion. It helps you track your daily activity with 3 colorful rings: move, exercise, and stand. Aim to close all 3 rings each day to achieve your fitness goals. The watch continuously monitors your heart rate, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. You can also choose from dozens of workout types to accurately track your exercise, from running to swimming, with precise metrics. For advanced usage, your Apple Watch SE is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming. You can also use Apple Pay for secure, contactless payments by double-pressing the side button. If you misplace your iPhone, use the Find My Devices feature on your watch to ping it. To optimize battery life, adjust settings like screen brightness and background app refresh. Charge your watch regularly for about 1.5 hours to ensure it is ready for your day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.